Hey superstars, happy May. It's Magi Helena. Here's your astrological forecast for May 2023 using scientific multidimensional astrology. My syndicated Your Daily Astrology horoscopes have millions of readers. Find my forecasts online or get a link in the text below to get my column into your local newspaper. As an astrology pioneer, I've turned scientific multidimensional astrology into simple tools. When you don't have the time, training, or utilities to run all those calcs yourself, you can get instant, accurate, actionable answers with my personal timing calendars and love compatibility reports. So here's May. In my new format, the best days, which could in some months be good enough for firsts, are bright gold. The very best bright gold days actually may or may not be the highest scoring days of the month. What makes them possible for firsts is that they have at least a 2-year decent progression following anything you natalize. A super high scoring Monday followed by a Tuesday that dramatically falls out of bed just won't give you any future with whatever first you initiate. But please do not assume you can run with initiating a critical first just because a day is bright gold. A best day is only best for the current month, which is extremely relative. March's very best day scored at 1550, April's and May's best days are both around 1100, and June 2023's very best day is only 880. So June's best day is only about half as good as March's best day was in the universal sky. Months can vary a lot, and so do your personal cycles. To get a really strong launch for something big like getting married, starting a new business, launching a product, or having surgery, there's more than just having a strong day in the sky. One, a day can be strong, but still not be suitable for a specific kind of first. The planetary geometries in the day must echo the energies you want. You probably don't want a marriage that feels like a tech corporation, or a tech corp that feels like a day spa. The unique energies of the day are important not just for vibe, but also for attaining the objective. Happily ever after, super success, social influencer, whatever. 2, you always have to factor in your personal cycles, aka transits on the day of the first. Your transits reveal your harvest. Your transits will tell you what the first will actually bring to you personally. A strong day in the sky that brings you nothing but heartbreak is not the goal. And here's one more tip. Worst days are the days where if it can go wrong, it will. Your odds of a bad outcome are the highest. Best days are days when if it can go right, it will. Best days are days when you have the best chance of miracles. And who doesn't need more miracles? So, May's long run of worst days rolls in at mid-month. The charcoal gray very worst days include heartbreaks, nuclear heartbreaks, multiple nuclear clashes, and more. Worst days are when your odds are very lowest for any kind of good outcome. These are days to be cautious and to avoid for any important event, meeting, decision, etc., and always check your work. May's best pair of days come in just a few days later. I do not love these days. They are just the best available for May. And the 19th includes a little bit of that comet tail, aka up to 2 years of decent progressions. May 1st is actually the single strongest day of May. Both May 1st and May 19th have multiple geometries supporting Sun and Earth, and geometries are much more powerful than any two-planet aspect. Though many things are critical to scoring days, the main metric is always this: what is supporting Sun and Earth? If there's not enough support for these two primary points, then the day ultimately has no real power. Get DIY info for calculating your personal transits and get a coupon. Click more. And please, come visit me on MagiHelena.com. Get intentional with your timing at last. Understand current or past relationships and build out your dreams. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. I wish you a truly marvelous May.